Today I'm working on a 2.7 Chrysler Sebring. I got this car not too long ago. And it was making a tapping noise originally. Thought it was something in the head. Took the head out, it wasn't the head. Next week I ended up taking the bottom end off. Well, not completely off, took the oil pan off and everything, and found out it was a rod bearing, which is what you see right here. Took me about 45 minutes to get to. It's not really that hard. I'm about to take off the rod bearing and see if it's in any good salvageable spot, if I can reuse it, not reuse the bearing, but buy a new bearing and rod, see if that'll fix it. If not, might have to buy a crank. In that case, it's probably not even worth it then. It doesn't have a lot of play in it, but could be enough damage done already. But as you can tell, there's a shield that goes right here, and the pump is on this side. And the one that actually threw off was the one on the far end of the pump. Now, I've looked up a lot of stuff online already, and the shield only has 2, 4, 6 holes that are only that small. Now, they recommend you take it to a machine shop. Well, I'm not going to take it to no machine shop and pay $600 for it. I'm going to take me a little grinder or a drill bit and drill the hole out bigger and smooth it out on each hole, or even just make it one oval hole so oil will circulate from here, from the oil pump, all the way over to here, because it's dry. As you can tell, on the side here is all dry. So that noise you hear like that, that's your rod bearing. So let's see if I can take it off right now. Maybe. Where is my ratchet? If I can find it. Sorry about the light. Yeah, it only takes about 45 minutes with no air tools. Oh, hold on for this. Small ass ratchet here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I guess a bigger wrench would have helped. Ratchet. It's all good though. As you can tell, they're probably torqued on there. No big deal. Sorry about the camera. Alright, let's see what I did. By the way, my name's David Cullison. I'm typically a diesel mechanic, but I venture into cars. I've been working on cars all my life, doing construction work. Yeah, Chrysler had a lot of callbacks on these cars for oil pumps, water pumps, because it's got the water pump in the inside. It's got a whole bunch of shit backwards on this vehicle, but it's a good running vehicle, and if you take care of it, maintenance it, you won't have no problem out of it. I recommend, everyone's recommending using transferring over to synthetic, but don't transfer over to synthetic unless you clean the bottom end of this up. Flush your engine first, because if not, it's going to be no good. It doesn't help shit. If you got all that oil sludge in there and you put synthetic in there, what's going to happen? It's just going to fuck it all up again. Yep, rod bearing. My chamber, oh shit. The chamber still looks alright, as I can tell. You wouldn't really be able to tell right offhand. But you see these two little keyways, that's for oil. So they're not grinded out, so it doesn't look too bad. Push it up a little bit at a time. There's one. Worn out like a motherfucker. Let's see, where's that next one? If there is a next one. I think there is. Should be, yeah. Push it up one more time. About 3 clicks to do it. See that oil? The only reason it's got oil now is because I've done took it the fuck apart. Let's see, take a screwdriver. Push that rod bearing out. Careful not to scratch it up like that. There we go. Especially metal sleeves on the side of it, they're worn off. Go figure. Fucker. Come on. Give me the cap. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure this is only like a fucking $20 fix. It doesn't look like the fucking cranks. If it's like an egg shape, you don't even want to fuck with it. Just buy it. Get it. Either take the crank out, which is a lot of work, or buy another engine. Buy one that doesn't knock on you. Me, I had no choice. There we go. Oh yeah, she's about to wore out. There it is. See, it was about to go all the way through that. See the little hole there? That's where the wear and tear started. Yeah, she's shot. Yeah, I mean, when it was knocking, it wasn't even knocking loud. You turn the AC on, the knock went away. When it had tension, when you're driving down the road, knock was gone. As soon as you put it in park, it started knocking. Neutral started knocking. Yeah, this doesn't seem bad. See this little hole? That's an oil hole. The oil hole doesn't even look like it's been phased. I don't know if you can see it from right there. I don't know. It might be too dark. Let's see. Not bad. I think that'll be it. So pretty much go to advance, buy another wheel bearing. Fuck. I mean, if it keeps throwing that wheel bearing, the wheel bearing's like $20. Fuck every 2 to 3 months. You want to get by for a couple months, saving your money. Just buy a wheel bearing. It'll be all right. Just keep putting it in there. If not, if you want to keep the car and save a little money but a lot of work, take the crank out, take it to a shop, get it machine turned. But like I said, it's very simple. 2002 2.7 Chrysler rod bearing. Problems. Alright, my name's David Colson, signing off.